I've discovered the formula for the best homemade ice cream in the world. Just 3 ingredients. Here I have 800 ml of whipped cream, and we're going to put it in this container. Once that's done, we're going to beat it very well until it takes on the consistency of whipped cream. The whipped cream is already set. That's the point, guys. Look how firm it is. Now here I have 150 grams of cocoa powder, 50%. I'm going to mix it gently with this spoon because if I don't, when I whisk it, dust will fly everywhere. This recipe is amazing. It tastes so good. This ice cream has such a texture. Ready. Now that it's well mixed, I'm going to use the mixer again. And it will have a firmer texture. That's it, folks. It's already whipped, and now I'm going to add condensed milk and then we'll whip it again. This ice cream really is perfect. Make it at home and it will be a hit. You can make this delicious treat with just a few ingredients. It's amazing. And look how creamy it is. It's all whipped up so well. Now I'm going to transfer it to a container and look at how creamy it is. This ice cream is so good. It's sure to please everyone in your house. This ice cream is very practical and quick to make. So easy. And it's ready quickly too. Just put it in the freezer for 4 hours and the ice cream is ready. And let's serve this delight. Look how wonderful it is. The ice cream has a delicious texture. Now I'm going to serve it here in this bowl. And look at that, it's mouth-watering. Here is our wonderful and delicious ice cream. And I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.